Hello friends, welcome to my channel Priya Classes, and today we are going to discuss MCQ of paper 1 Knowledge and Curriculum of B.Ed second year. So before starting, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं और इससे पहले की 2 वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें. Now let's begin. Question 1. What is the origin of the word education? A. E and catum. B. Edu and catum. C. Word educate. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. E and catum. Question 2. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Education is an art. B. Education is a science. C. It neither an art nor science. D. To some extent it is an art and to some extent it is a science. Correct answer is D. To some extent it is an art and to some extent it is a science. Question 3. Why are curriculum activities used in teaching? Option A. Make teaching easy. Option B. To make teaching interesting, easy to understand and effective. Option C. To make teaching attractive. D. To assist the teacher. Correct answer is D. To assist the teacher. Question 4. What is teaching through deductive method? Option A. From general to specific. Option B. From specific to general. Option C. From macro to micro. Option D. From easy to difficult. Correct answer is A. From general to specific. Question 5. Which of the following education systems support scientific progress? A. Realistic education. B. Idealist education. C. Naturalistic education. And D. None of the above. Answer is A. Realistic education. Question 6. On what depends the values of an educational experience in the eyes of idealist? Option A. Whether or not the pupil has been properly motivated. B. Whether or not it preserves accepted institution. C. To extent to which it satisfies pupil desire. D. The manner in which it affects future experiences. Answer is B. Whether or not it preserves accepted institutions. Question 7. Which educational activity is most desirable to the pragmatist? Option A. Approximates the goal which educational scientists have set up. B. Results from the indiscrimination of pupil in democracy theory. C. That is beneficial effect upon the future experience of the pupil. D. That characterizes by spontaneous, active, continuously pleasurable and practical for the pupil. Answer is A. Approximates the goal which educational scientists have set up. Question 8. Who was the supporter of naturalism in education? Option A. Froebel. B. Armstrong. C. John Locke. D. Rousseau. Correct answer is D. That is Rousseau. Question 9. What do you mean by curriculum? A. A child learns through curriculum. B. Sum total of the annual study. C. Sum total of the activities of a school. D. Indicate the course to be taught by the teachers to the students throughout the year. Answer is D. That is indicate the course to be taught by the teachers to the students throughout the year. Question 10. Who raised the slogan Back to Nature? Option R. A. Realism. B. Pragmatism. C. Naturalism. D. Existentialism. Answer is C. Naturalism. Question number 13. Which is not the nature of philosophy? Option A. It is a science of knowledge. Option B. It is collective ensembles of various viewpoints. C. It is a planned attempt on search for the truth. D. It is the totality of men's creative idea. Correct answer is D. It is the totality of men's creative idea. Question 14. Which branch of philosophy deals with knowledge, its structure, method, and validity? Option A, logic. Option B, aesthetics. C, epistemology. D, metaphysics. Answer is C, that is epistemology. Question 15. What is the goal of education according to idealism? Option A, perfect adaptation to the environment. B, realization of moral values. C, satisfaction of human wants. D, cultivation of dynamic, adaptable mind which will be resourceful and enterprising in all situations. Correct answer is B, realization of moral values. Question 16. The aim of education according to existentialist is A, humanitarian and humanist self-realization. B, adaptation to practical life. C, objective knowledge. D, a good understanding of the world outside. Correct answer is A, humanitarian and humanist self-realization. Question 17. The realist's aim of education is A, self-realization. B, spiritual and moral development. C, happy and moral development. D, total development of personality. Correct answer is C, happy and moral development. Question number 18. Naturalist conception of man is option A, man's very essence of being in his spiritual nature. Option B, it is spirit rather than animality that is most truly man. C, there exists in the nature of things a perfect pattern of each individual. D, nature would have them children before they are men. Correct answer is D, nature would have them children before they are men. Question 19. Which philosophy of education considers psychology as an incomplete study of and an inadequate basis of educational theory? Option A, realism. B, pragmatism. C, idealism. D, naturalism. Answer is C, that is idealism. Question 20. Which among the following does not fit into the scheme of educational goals of the idealists? Option A, care of the body. B, moral values. C, skills. D, self-expression. Answer is A, care of body. Question 21. Religious education is strongly advocated by A, pragmatists. B, idealists. C, realist. D, existentialist. Answer is B, that is idealist. Question 22. Which school of philosophy of education advocates project method of teaching? Answer A, option A, realism. B, pragmatism. C, idealism. And D, naturalism. Answer is B, that is pragmatism. Question 23. Which is the most widely accepted method of education according to the pragmatists? A, lecturing by the teacher. B, leaving the child free to learn. C, learning by doing. And D, heuristic method. Answer is C, that is learning by doing. Question 24. The pragmatists are against option A, the external examinations. B, the specialist teacher. C, breakdown of knowledge into separate subject. D, eternal spiritual values. Correct answer is C, breakdown of knowledge into separate subject. Question 25. Pragmatism has a greater sense of responsibility than naturalism with regard to moral training because option A, the free activity which pragmatic system of education entails doesn't mean license, rather it means a guided activity. B, they emphasize teaching of values. Option C, they consider education basically a social process. D, they do not want the teacher to abdicate from the same. Answer is A, The free activity which pragmatic system of education entails doesn't mean license, rather than it means a guided activity. Question 26. Which of the following claims of the pragmatists is not acceptable? Option A. The free activity of the pupil is likely to result in permanent attitude of innate and independence and moral discipline. B. Training in citizenship is possible through school and community activities. C. Training in character through school co-curricular activity is possible. D. Child's own experience is valuable for adequate development of child's personality. Answer is A. The free activity of the pupil is likely to result in permanent attitude of innate and independence and moral discipline. Question 27. Project method of teaching is an outstanding contribution of option A. Realism, B. Pragmatism, C. Naturalism, D. Idealism. Answer is B. Pragmatism. Question 28. Education according to pragmatist is option A. Wholly pupil oriented, B. Wholly society oriented, C. Wholly purposive, D. Wholly interdisciplinary. Correct answer is C. Wholly purposive. Question 29. Who among the following is not a follower of pragmatic philosophy? A. William James, B. Pestalozzi, C. John Dewey, D. Kilpatrick. Answer is B. Pestalozzi. Question 30. Who emphasized realization of truth, beauty, and goodness is the aim of education? Option A. Idealists, B. Pragmatists, C. Realist, and D. Naturalist. Answer is A, that is idealist. Question 31. Which statement about truth is not correct according to the philosophy of pragmatism? Option A. It is made by men, B. It is ever changing, C. It is eternal, and D. It is what emerges to be the true in actual practice. Answer is C. It is eternal. Question 32. In whose methodology of teaching experimentation is the keynote of? Option A. Idealism, B. Existentialism, C. Realism, and D. Pragmatism. Answer is D. Pragmatism. Question 33. Which school believes that all knowledge comes through the senses? Option A. Idealism, B. Sense realism, C. Pragmatism, and D. Existentialism. Answer is B. Sense realism. Question 34. Which of the following characteristics is common to pragmatism, naturalism, and existentialism? Option A. Emphasis on spiritual aim of education, B. Emphasis on the individual, C. Emphasis on physical environment, D. Emphasis on value education. Answer is B. Emphasis on the individual. Question 35. Whose is the ultimate concern? What is existence? A. Idealists only, B. Realists only, C. Existentialists and idealists both, D. Existentialists only. Answer is C, that is existentialist and idealist both. Question 36. According to existentialists, the essence of existence means A. Unity with the ultimate reality, B. Spiritual good and happiness, C. Tensions and contradictions which conditions loneliness and anxiety, D. Continuous growth and development. Answer is C. Tensions and contradictions which conditions loneliness and anxiety. Question 37. Who was the 19th century founder of existentialism? A. Hegel, B. Soren Kierkegaard, C. Rousseau, D. D.J. O'Connor. Answer is B, that is Soren Kierkegaard. Question 38. Who was 20th century existentialist? A. Soren Kierkegaard, B. D.J. O'Connor, C. Jean-Paul Sartre, D. Hegel. Answer is C. Jean-Paul Sartre. Question 39. What is the origin of the word education? A. Educate, B. Educare, C. Evolve, and D. None of these. Answer is B. Educare. Question 40. Epistemology deals with A. Knowledge, B. Education, C. Learning, and D. Philosophy of education. Correct answer is knowledge, option A. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon and share to your friends. Bye bye. Thank you.